All right, I'm going to visit some more of the songs from the Uke Crazy book, doing some play-alongs with you. If you are a Uke Crazy kid, we're going to start with Smoke on the Water. That's one of the all-time favorites. Remember, the names of your strings are Green Cows Eat Apples. Green cows eat apples. Should have already tuned and warmed up by now. So I'm starting here on page 10. So what string is this on? It is on G, which is the one closest to your body. Remember, your instrument should be going to the left, Left hand under here, right hand here. So we're going 0, 3, 5. So I'm reaching over. Notice my thumb is here, reaching over this way. Not trying to reach here to play it. Got to get your finger to hook here. And you use either your first finger or combinations of fingers on these strings. So 0, see my thumb's back here. Then 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Let's try that together. So 0, I'm going to use just my first finger this time. 0, 3, I'm sliding to 5 where I have a dot. I'm going to show you that so you can see the dot. Then 0, 3, pass the dot to 6, then 5, then 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Normally, I'm trying to make sure you see my hands and see the frets where the dots are and everything. Normally, I keep my fingers as close to the strings as possible. So that you can be close to things. Now, on the next page, 11, let's look at Smoke on the Water Advanced, where you're going to be playing 2 strings at the same time. There is more than one way to do it. They talk about metronome practice, which is where you have the metronome clicker thing on, which we'll do in lesson, where it keeps a steady beat. They have a picture of one at the bottom, the old school one that goes. And those are pretty cool. They got a little dial wind up in the back and all. They're wanting you to play 2 strings at the same time. So what you'd be doing in this case, since they're right by each other, you're going to get your first finger and your pointer and your thumb, and just gently, you pull them out. And that's how you're going to do the pluck, so that they pluck simultaneously. So we're going to go 0, then 3. How are we going to do that? Well, you could do it more than one way. You could do that one finger and press them down that way. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Or you can get 2 fingers, which I think that's a good way to learn it, because the notes 0, 0, 3, 3, 5, 5 are not always going to stack up. There'll be songs later where it'll be 3 and 4, or you'll have your fingers on different ones at the same time. And then are spread apart. So it's good to learn to use both of these fingers independently. So 0, 3, this is how I normally teach it, where I'll just have you use these 2 fingers, then go to 5 with them together. 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. All right, so that's a good way to practice that song. All right, let's turn the page and look at another one. On my next page is page 12. It says how to read a chord chart. So we're going to talk about the numbers of your fingers. This is your left hand they're showing you. See, they've got like the palm of your hand in the picture. And there's not a number for this. That's because, remember, that thumb is behind your instrument to balance the instrument. So starting with this finger, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 fingers. Not this one. These are the 4 fingers you're going to use to do chord shapes for the ukulele. So the first chord shape they show you is the C chord. And notice the circle has a 3 around it, meaning you're going to press with your ring finger. That's finger number 3. You also happen to be in the 3rd fret. So that's how you will play the C chord. That way. They say the numbers you see on the chart are not fret numbers. They represent your finger numbers. So that's also called your ring finger. So that's how you do that to do the chord. That's how to read that part of the chord chart. So that's C chord. My next page is page 13. We might as well go on to that and kind of keep these in a sequential order when I do these videos. I'm trying to make sure when I do videos from Uke Crazy Book that I have at least 2, 3, 4 songs in each video if there's time. It depends on how long the song is. These are short songs. So this one is from Moana, How Far I'll Go. It is the first song they have in my book that says you're using 2 strings. So that's kind of neat. Remember, when you're reading this, it says, remember, read tabs from left to right. So you're reading left to right like you're reading a book. And even if it's not like on the same line, you're going to zigzag up or down and just follow across. So it starts on green cow's E, the yellow string, E. So 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0. I get that part down first. You might want to get a pencil and just make little sections. So that's all on the same strings. 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4. That's the same thing 3 times in a row. Then it throws on a 0, 0 line. Then it goes up to A, the string A. But you're going to press 2. So 2, then it has a 2 back on that yellow string. So after you go, but you might recognize it by then and go, oh yeah, I know that song, I've heard that before, and probably have. So 2 with an asterisk, a little star. The star means that you're just going to hold that note a little bit longer. In music notation, if you watch some of my counting videos, that'd mean that note's a note not shaded in, like a half note or a whole note. So it's just a longer note. Then you're going to go back up to 2 on the blue or A string, 2, 4, and then a 4 with an asterisk again on E. You're going to hold it. Then you're going to go to 2, 0. Then back up to A, 2, 4, then in, 4, 2. The 4's got the asterisk both times. So the song, da da dun da da dun da da dun 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 dun. It's that part, which is not the beginning of the song, you know. It's like the chorus or whatever. Now, are we going to go that fast? Probably not right this second. We could, but I'm supposed to be teaching you how to do it. And if you can already go that fast, you don't need to be watching this video necessarily. 0, 2, 4. Second time, third time. 0, 2, 4, 0, 0. Then reach up. 2, 2, asterisk. 2, 4, 4, asterisks. 2, 0. Then reach up. 2, 4, 4, asterisks. 2. And then later on, of course. Something like that. I do know it's in the correct key though, because we've tried playing it in lesson before. Oh, I'll pull it up and see if it's in the correct key, and it is. But, you know, it is pretty fast. All right. I hope that those are helpful. We're going to stop at that on this portion of this video, and then the next video I'll try to pick up with the next series of songs.